Good morning, guys. So today I have a hankering for some sweet and sour meatballs. So that's what we're having for supper tonight. But I need to make the sweet and sour sauce. So let's make that. In here I have 3/4 of a cup water, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1/3 of a cup of vinegar. To that, I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar that's been packed down, and half a cup of ketchup. And my spoon rest is in the sink dirty, so we'll just do this. So you want to bring this up to a boil, stirring it consistently. And yes, I know, I'm using a steel whisk inside of a, enamel coated cast iron, because my silicone one, my little one, actually got broken. So this is what I got. Okay, so I'm going to bring this up to a boil, stirring it consistently, and we'll be right back for the next step. Alright, so now it's up to boil. I'm going to reduce it down to simmering, just so it simmers, and I'm going to leave it alone for 3 minutes. And then I'll be back to add the cornstarch slurry to this. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add that cornstarch slurry in here. So it's 1/4 cup of cold water and 3½ tablespoons of cornstarch. Just going to whisk this on in there. This will be thickened up in a moment. I'm just going to turn my heat up a little bit. And actually, I might even add some ginger. Thinking I want some ginger in here. Yep, I do. I'm not even going to taste it yet. I want ginger in there. Starting to thicken up. Okay, I'm just going to grab a spoon. Spoon and give this a taste and see how I like it. Oh, perfect. Okay. Turn it down just a smidgen. There we go. Nice and thick. Just the way I want it. Okay, so let me move the camera here, and this way I can show you what I got going on in my crock pot. Okay, so as you can see, I've got some red onion in here, and I have green peppers, and I have my meatballs. Mine are beef meatballs because I don't have any ground pork. Or I would use ground pork. Okay. I just have my crock pot on low. I need a second oven mitt, and I don't, oh, there it is. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to pour it over everything. Now my meatballs are par cooked because I do not like putting raw meatballs into my crock pot. They don't come out right. I personally think they come out tasting funny. They have a weird texture. So, put that in there. I'm going to give this a stir. Very gentle stir. Get everything coated in that lovely sauce. Oh, this is going to be good. Serve this up with some rice and maybe some green beans on the side. Oh yeah. And there we go. So I'm going to let this cook for probably a good, well, what time is it now? Well, it's not even 8:30 in the morning. Wow. That's what happens when you're up at 5 in the morning. I'll let this go for a while, quite some time, then I just switch it over to the keep warm setting. So I'll probably cook this for about 6 hours, and then I'll switch it over to the keep warm until dinner's ready. Or until it's dinner time. So, but I'll bring you guys back at that point so you can see the end result here. So, we'll be back. And here we go. It's now a little after 5, and here is our dinner. We got the sweet and sour pork, or these are sweet and sour beef balls, and then the rice, and then some green beans on the side. And I made a mess, but I gotta clean up. But there we go, sweet and sour sauce. Yummy. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.